to waste that 14 days without uploading any video. So I try to create a new channel, which is that particular channel is not accepted in YouTube because it shows like channel owned by robot. So, yung gano'n. Parang hindi siya na-acknowledge. Actually, nag-create lang ako ng other channel just in case if I cannot able to do live. You know, just in case, just to rescue my old account. But I don't need to because my strike was about like, I was posting sabong. You know, my father have, you can also get strike from too much copyright, okay? You can also get strike with that. So to make sure that the authenticity of your channel, we better just make sure that nothing there is no sounds everywhere here that backgrounds to our live, okay? Because it could create a copyright, okay, problem after the live, right? So that's why as you see, as you notice here, there's nothing. You cannot hear anything other than normal sounds like chickens and to my electric fan over there. So there is no music or whatever that could put me into a copyright position. No. So I learned from my first mistake, all right? And also here in Philippines, miss ko na agad si Goldie. Yeah, Goldie here. Goldie is here. She's sleeping. Yeah, Goldie. Goldie, ay kikibut. Giga. Goldie ga. Hi, Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Oh yeah, that's Goldie. Okay, you have a fan here already, Goldie. Her name is Jennifer. Goldie? Huy! Oh my God, ang sweet naman ni Bagang. Come here. Oh my God. Oh, so, napaka-behave ni Goldie. Come here, Gugay. Come here, Gigan. Oh, naman ang bibi niya, no? Ang bibi ni Mami. Alika, bibi. Alika, bibi. Halika, Bibi, pakita kita sa pan mo, okay? O yan. This is my Goldie Gold. Opa, yeah. She's very fat. Yeah, that's it. Oops. Oh yeah, she's very fluffy. You know, because, hi, Goldie. So you're hungry again, Goldie? Oh, Guga. Yeah, Guga. Bakit hindi ka nabuntis? Oh. Pati hindi ka buntis, Day. Oh, Gugay. Uy, naman talaga si Bagang. Oh, sige. Yan, para kay Jennifer yun. Kasi na-miss na niya si Goldie. Okay, tingnan mo. Halika, na-miss ka ni Jennifer. Sabi ni Jennifer, ayan na yung Goldie. Oh, no. Awachin ang giki, adik yung giki, anik kikikirikitikiritita. Danda, la. Ang akong iring-iring yan. Oh, ang lalap naman talaga ni Mami yan. Oh, say hi to our viewers. Say hi to our viewers, Guga. So this is my cat, Goldie. Meet my cat, guys. This is my cat, Goldie. Ayaw niya, guys. Ayaw niya, naisayaw ko siya, guys. La ito kasi ano siya to, modi kasi ito, maarte tsaka maldita tong pusa ko na to, guys. Lablab na guldi, lablab na guldi. Alam mo na ano siya, naaanoy na siya, guys. Ay nako.